Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the lock symbol light in a car. So in order to fix this issue, there are few methods that you can try. So the lock symbol light on your car's dashboard typically indicates an issue with the anti-theft system or the immobilizer system. So here are some of the steps that you can take in order to address this issue. First, you need to check the car key. So if you are using a key fob, you need to ensure that the battery is not dead. So replace it if necessary. If you have a traditional key, then check if it is worn out or damaged. A damaged key might not be recognized by the car's security system. If this method doesn't work for you, then what you can do is you can try to reset the system. So you need to use the key fob to lock and unlock the car multiple times. This can sometimes reset the system. Then insert the key into the incognito, turn it to the on position without starting the engine and leave it there for about 10 minutes. Then turn it back off and try to start the car. Next you can do the battery check. So you need to ensure that your car's battery is fully charged. A weak battery can cause the anti-theft system to malfunction. Disconnect the car battery for about 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect it. This can reset the car's computer system. You can even inspect the immobilizer system. For that, you need to ensure that the car key is being properly recognized by the immobilizer system. If you have a spare key, try to use it. Check for any other warning lights on the dashboard that might indicate the related issue. Your car might also have some specific instructions for the car's model regarding the lock symbol light and anti-theft system reset procedures. So if the above steps doesn't work for you, then it might necessary to use a diagnostic tool to read any fault codes from the car's computer. You can even contact a professional mechanic or your car dealer. This can diagnose and fix the problem, especially if it is involves deeper issues with the immobilizer or the car's security system. Additional tips that I can give you is you need to have always keep a spare key handy to rule out key related issues. Regularly maintain your car's battery and electronic system to prevent such issues. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.